Hi dears, let's learn the lesson How to Escape from Intellectual Rubbish. It is written by Bertrand Russell. The major theme of the lesson is Russell is explaining how we can avoid foolish opinions and narrow minded thinking by developing habits of critical reflection, humility, and open mindedness. Now we will be learning about the key concepts or the terms. What is intellectual rubbish? Intellectual rubbish is the false belief, prejudices, or unexamined opinions as we have. We will be using those terms in the rest of the lesson. Then dogmatic thinking. Dogmatic thinking means we are holding an opinion as absolute truth without questioning it. Bias is favoring one side unfairly. It can be due to emotion or our upbringing. Then superstition, irrational belief in supernatural causes like the ghosts. Then open mindedness. Open mindedness is the willingness to question and accept the evidence, even if it is challenging your personal beliefs. Now, there are 5 rules in this lesson in order to avoid the intellectual rubbishes. Rule number 1, trust observation and not assumption. You have to verify facts through direct observation. Example is Aristotle has wrongly assumed women have fewer truth than men. In this, we learn the lesson avoid the fatal mistake of thinking you know when you clearly don't have any idea. Rule number 2, beware of anger in disagreements. So, when we are showing anger, it is a weak reasoning behind your belief. So, fierce arguments happen during when where evidence is lacking. Like when we are talking about religion or politics, they may be fiercely having arguments. It is because they are lacking the evidence to support their claims. Be calm. Anger signals your belief may go beyond the facts. So, if you are getting angry over an opinion, it can be stated that you have no evidence or fact to support your sentences. Rule number 3 is engage with opposing views. You can travel, read, and talk to people with different opinions. If they seem foolish or wicked, remember they think the same about you. So, reflection reduces our prejudice or and dogmatisms. Example is the Chinese and Manju customs because they both have adopted each other's foolish practices like the small feet and the pigtails. The moral is conduct without critical reflection only spreads ignorance. Rule number 4 is practice imaginative dialogue. You can converse with some people of opposite viewpoint, like Mahatma Gandhi. He has the views about non-violence. It will help you to test your logic and reduce the overconfidence. Rule number 5, avoid self flattering beliefs. Be very cautious of beliefs that boost your ego, like about your gender, like female or male, or male is best, or female is the better one, or nation, or human pride. Example is men claim intellectual superiority, whereas women counter with moral superiority. Wise thinkers admit such issues have no clear answers. So these type of questions like which one is better, men or woman, it doesn't have a clear answer. So wise thinkers always admit such issues having no clear answers. Then human conceit. So humans has a tendency to consider themselves as the center of the universe or they are superior to other beings. Russell is reminding us that we are only a brief episode in the cosmic history. Okay, we are a small point in Earth. or according to the total universe. True wisdom requires humility. What is humility? Humility means when you are being humble, a humble person who respects others and treat others with the same amount of calmness. Rule number 6, recognize and conquer fear. So, fear is something that creates superstition and cruelty. Common fears are about death, the unknown things, or being isolated. Conquering fear is the beginning of wisdom and truth. So, about magic and superstition. You know, ancient people relied on magic, talismans, and spells for safety. These beliefs continued from Babylon, from the early times to medieval Europe. Even now, modern people are secretly using these or trusting these mascots or charms. Mascot meaning it can be referred to a animal, symbol, or object. Okay. Then, religion and afterlife. Fear inspires us to be hopeful about the beliefs after life after death. Socrates faced his death cheerfully, while Plato used myths to encourage bravery to the soldiers. These type of beliefs are giving us a sense of comfort, but they are not proving anything. Conclusion. So in order to escape intellectual rubbish, we can first is we can do that, observe facts carefully. Second one, stay calm during a disagreement. Third one, listen to opposing views. Fourth one, avoid flattering your ego. Fifth one, conquer fear and superstition. And true wisdom is courage plus humility plus open minded inquiry. So, true wisdom is achieved through being courage or being brave and humble and have an open minded inquiry. Okay, thank you.